Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, guys, I am going to take you on a little tour of my living room area. Now, I'm participating in a challenge today, and so I did some glam updates to give my living room a little sparkle and shine. And what I'm participating in is the Sparkle and Shine Summer 2020 collaboration. Now, there are 3 co-hosts for this collaboration. One host and 2 co-hosts. The host is Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and she has 2 co-hosts. They are My Style, My Colors, and At Home with Katherine B. Now, I will tell you, I've left links to all 3 of these ladies down in my description box. I don't know if you know them, but let me say this. If you love home decor videos, if you love unconventional DIYs, and you love color, and you love playing with color, trying different, beautiful, exotic colors, then I've got the ladies for you, because Tammy is the queen of unconventional DIYs. My Style, My Colors, her eye for color is amazing. You're going to see her do all sorts of home decor. I mean, I can't even tell you. You have to go look for yourself. And At Home with Katherine B, same thing. Fantastic home decor videos. Again, I've left links to all 3 of these ladies' channels down in my description box. I hope you go visit them today. And also, if you're not a member of this channel, I really hope you'll subscribe today. Again, this is DIY Design by CCW. And on this channel, you're going to see home decor videos, before and after videos. If you go back in my history, you'll see a lot of fixer-upper type videos, and I'm going to be starting some of those up again as I have some more projects I'll be doing. I do a ton of tablescapes, some DIYs, you name it. Again, I hope you subscribe, and I hope you go down and visit the links, and make sure you visit that playlist so you can see all the Sparkle and Shine videos. Now, guys, what I'm about to do here is take you on a tour of my living room. So we're going to step in here and take a look around. Now, my living room here, you'll see this corner that we're looking at is where I did all of the changes. Basically, what I did is change out this entire area. There was a TV here, and I just brought in Glam. I moved the entry table here, put the pictures there, that vase in the corner, these Glam pillows, added this Glam bar cart here, and it's filled with Glam glassware, as you can see on both levels. Just really glammed this area out. I added a few glam touches in the rest of the room too. I mean, the room was already glam. I had already done a lot of these updates, but I did add a few more glam pieces to my end table. I changed out that throw. Those pillows were already there. I did those a few weeks back and changed out the curtains and things like that. I don't know. Some reason now I'm just in love with pink. I don't know why. I've updated this coffee table. Actually, the vase was already here. That's a DIY that I did a little bit ago. And I put it here a few weeks back, but I did change out the tray that it's sitting on and the mirror that it's sitting on. Again, most of my Sparkle and Shine elements were added in that corner that we just looked at. But there's a few things in the rest of the room that I did. Now, in this corner, I changed out the throw, updated a few things on the side table here, and we'll get a little closer so we can see Just changed out the frames. They were in different areas, and the vase, and put that little flower, metal flower thing there. That was somewhere else. And the rest of this decor was changed a while ago. That picture's been there, or rather that pillow's been there. Now I also changed out the, no, actually I moved the TV here, but that mirror has been there. I changed that a couple months back, and or put that there a few months back. I did add that little Glam candle holder that you see there. So that's new. It's not new, but it's new in that space. Let's put it that way. But again, most of the changes I made were on this side of the room. And guys, what I'm going to do, if you will hang on after this video, I have a slideshow coming up. I'm going to show you the history of this room, what it looked like the day I found this house. Again, if you know my story, this was a complete fixer-upper. And I'm going to go back and revisit some of those before and afters so that you can kind of get some idea what it looked like. I did forget to show you that in this corner, I moved this vase from another spot and just added some pink branches there. Again, pink is my thing now, and that's what all I can tell you. But anyway, when you watch the video, or rather, if you stay on after the video, you're going to see a few pictures so that you can see some before and after shots. And I'll show you what the progression of the room, how it got to this point. Now, guys, I want to tell you, I hope that you'll consider subscribing today. Make sure that you also tap that notification bell. That way you'll be updated whenever I upload new content. I just wanted to take you into my dining room to show you that the glam does continue into the dining room. Also, please make sure that you go visit the ladies that hosted this collaboration. That's Miss Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and her two co-hosts, which are Katherine, Miss Katherine B, and also My Style, My Colors. So again, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.